The ins and outs of the LifePharm Share app. In this short tutorial, we'll review the basic functions of the LifePharm Share app and make sure everybody understands exactly how to use it to advance their business. First, please note the primary functions are located down here and defined by these 5 icons: Home, Media, Prospect, Events, Alerts. The primary recruiting function is the Media icon, which is located right here. The Media icon allows you to share videos, PDF, and enrollment links with prospects. Social media images are also available to post on your own social media platform. Next is the Prospect icon. This feature will help you manage all your contacts and help you build your prospects list. Next to your Prospect icon is followed by the Events icon, which allows you to schedule events, plus invite prospects and team members to meetings, events, or webinars. This section also lets you see if the LifePharm corporate office or other team members are hosting meetings, and then you can jump in and attend. Next, you'll see the Alert icon, which helps you stay in touch and ensures you don't miss anything important coming from LifePharm. Also, this is where you will get follow-up reminders, track who visits your links, and even see who views your shared media. Now, going back to the homepage, you'll see the banners here. These banners are constantly updated with the most current LifePharm-related news, information, events, and promotions. Check out the banners, which will float back and forth within the system. You can also click on the banners because it will directly link you to see more information about that specific banner that is clicked on. In the upper left-hand corner, the Admin menu is located here. The Admin menu includes trainings, direct access to the virtual office, and the ability to manually enroll new people. For easier access within the Share app, you can also add Siri shortcuts here. Most importantly, there's a Contact Us button below. This button gives you the ability to contact the LifePharm corporate office or the LifePharm Share mobile app technical team. Here, you can report any technical issues you're experiencing with the app straight to the tech team. To do so, simply submit a ticket into our system, and the tech team will help you out as soon as possible. For any LifePharm inquiries unrelated to technical support, please email or call the LifePharm corporate office. Lastly, you have your settings located at the bottom on the left. It's essential to go in here when you have the app downloaded to turn on your notifications. When you turn on your notifications, you'll be able to receive email messages and phone alerts. Thank you for watching the first training tutorial for the LifePharm Share mobile app.